Hello, welcome to a new session on Python programming offered by Sifting Bytes Academy. My name is Venu, and in this video, we will learn a little bit about Python Software Foundation and its role in the development of the Python language. We will also do a quick walkthrough of its official website, python.org. I hope you find it interesting and informative. Let's get started. Python Software Foundation, in short PSF, was established in 2001 primarily to oversee the development of the Python language. It is an American non-profit organization created to promote, protect and advance not only the Python programming language, but also to support and facilitate the growth of a diverse international community of Python programmers. Python is an open source technology. That means it's freely usable and distributable even for commercial use. So it wouldn't cost us a dime to install it in our system. Not only to learn, but we can also develop full-fledged applications with it. PSF's license and agreement terms for using Python are very liberal, and I recommend you to go through it quickly if you have time. I will leave the link to this in the description below. This shows PSF is also responsible for managing and monitoring intellectual rights related to Python. PSF's role so far in promoting a thriving Python developer community is commendable. It does lots of things, but most importantly, it maintains python.org website, a very resourceful website. In here, we can find all sorts of information and resources related to Python. This is where we can find the standard Python distribution that we can install in our computer. In the previous session, we have seen a list of things that we get when we install Python in our system. All these things bundled together can be called as a Python distribution, a standard Python distribution. Few people also call this standard Python distribution as core Python. Website also offers many other services that the Python community relies on. For example, on the home page, it provides us an online web-based Python interpreter. We can launch it and start writing basic Python commands here right away, without actually setting up anything in our computer. PSF also maintains Python documentation for all the versions that are released. It provides a very comprehensive documentation of the language. Every feature of the language and its API is clearly described for our reference. And this is the ultimate go-to resource if we don't find solutions anywhere else in the Q&A websites that we generally rely on, like Stack Overflow or Quora. There is also the PEPS system of Python. PEP stands for Python Enhancement Proposal. A PEP is a design document providing information to the Python community and documents the design decisions that have gone into Python. They are numbered and titled as per the topic it deals with for our reference. Another interesting thing we can find in this website is the Python package index. It's a great place to search and find third-party packages. Python already comes built-in with a very comprehensive standard library, which is good enough for us to perform most of the basic tasks. But in some special cases, to perform some special tasks, we might have to look for a third-party library or a package. And this is where we will find them. We will be exploring the website bit by bit throughout the course. PSF also provides us a way to connect with the Python community through various channels. It organizes developer conferences, including the PyCon. It raises funds and offers sponsorships as well. We can find detailed information on how to become a member and contribute to the development of the language as an individual or as an organization. Contribution can be made in the form of funds or in the form of some Python related work. Now let's talk about the most important sections of the website which matters to us right away. In the homepage of the website, click on the downloads link, and in here we can find a button to download the latest version of Python distribution for our operating system. As you can see here, Python 3.10.4 is the latest version when recording this video. I can hit on this button to download and install it for my Windows operating system. But we will do that in a separate video. Instead, here I'll click on the Windows link to check out the various other versions that are available. Here in the page, let's focus on some important key phrases. There are different kinds of Python releases available here for us to download. There is the latest release, there are stable releases, and there is something called pre-releases. We will just make a note of them in this session and discuss about them in detail in the next one. It's very important to know what they really mean so that we can pick the right version for our environment. PSF also maintains older Python versions and releases just in case if anyone needs one. In the same website, if we hover on the downloads link, we can see something called alternative implementations. Click on it and we'll find a list of various alternative Python implementations and distributions that can be useful. Remember, PSF provides only the traditional implementation of Python, named CPython, for us to download. These are just the links to resources from other websites from where we can download alternative implementations of Python. We will deep dive into these things in next sessions. That's all for now. See you in the next one. Your feedback will be enormously helpful in improvising the final shape of this course. So please subscribe to the Sifting Bytes channel and contribute any questions, comments, or suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.